Cristeta Pasia Comerford is a Filipino-American chef who has been the White House executive chef since 2005. She is the first woman and first person of Asian origin to hold the post. Cristeta Comerford was born as Cristeta Gomez Pasia in Manila, the Philippines to Ernesto Pasia, a public school assistant principal, and Arlinda Gomez. She grew up on Cataluna Street in Sampaloc, Manila. She completed her secondary education at the Manila Science High School. She attended the University of the Philippines, Diliman in Quezon City, majoring in food technology. However, she left school before completing the degree when she immigrated to the United States at the age of 23. Comerford's first job was at the Sheraton Hotel near O'Hare International Airport. She also worked at the Hyatt Regency Hotel. After Chicago, she moved to Washington, D.C. and worked as a chef at 2 restaurants. She additionally spent 6 months in Vienna as a rotating chef. Comerford was recruited by White House executive chef Walter Scheib III in 1995 to work in the Clinton White House as an assistant chef. After Scheib resigned in February 2005, Comerford was appointed White House executive chef by First Lady Laura Bush on August 14, 2005. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.